Welcome back to Daily English Boost Official. Today's lesson is super fun. Learn English at the mall. We'll follow Emma and Jake as they shop, talk, joke around, and learn real-life English. Let's get started. Hey Jake, ready for some shopping today?
Shopping? Of course. I even brought my don't let me spend money face.
Oh, I know that face. You look like a sad potato.
A sad potato. Wow, shopping hasn't even started and the roasting already began.
Relax. Let's go inside the mall. I need a new jacket.
And I need, self-control.
Wow, the mall looks so beautiful today.
Yeah, even the lights are brighter. Are they brighter or am I just broke?
You're definitely broke.
Thanks for the emotional support. Very helpful.
Look, let's check the store directory. Do you want to go to the clothing store first?
Sure, but remember, if I try to buy something unnecessary, stop me.
I'll try, but honestly, I think nothing can stop you. Wow, look at this jacket. It's cute.
It's nice, but why is it $89.99? Does it come with superpowers?
Relax, it's just a normal price.
Normal for who? Batman?
Okay, try this hoodie. It's on sale.
Sale? My favorite word. Let me try it. How do I look?
You look surprisingly good.
Surprisingly? Wow, you're so supportive today.
Fine, you look great. Happy?
Yes, should I buy it?
If you like it, buy it.
Okay, but only if it doesn't destroy my bank account.
I'm starving. Let's grab something to eat.
Same here. I could eat a whole chicken right now.
You always say that, but you eat 2 fries and say, I'm full.
Hey, that's called healthy lifestyle.
That's called weak stomach.
Anyway, what do you want? Pizza, burger, Chinese, ice cream?
Let's get pizza.
Yes, pepperoni or cheese?
Cheese. It's safe.
I like risky food. Maybe pepperoni?
Jake, you're allergic to pepperoni.
Right, cheese it is. This pizza is so good.
I know, right? It's better than the one we had last time.
Last time, oh yeah, the one that tasted like cardboard.
Exactly. Jake, I need new shoes for work.
Cool, I need new shoes to run away from responsibilities.
You're unbelievable.
Thanks, I try.
Look at these shoes. What do you think?
Stylish, comfortable, and probably expensive.
Hello, can I help you with anything?
Yes. Do you have these in size 7?
Sure, I'll get them.
Emma, don't buy too many things. Remember your budget.
I know, but I need these.
Okay, fine, buy them. Life is short.
Look who's talking about saving money earlier.
I changed my mind. Happens every 5 minutes.
Okay, let's check out.
Wait, I didn't buy anything except one hoodie. This is a record.
Congratulations. Want a medal?
Yes, a golden one.
Not happening.
Fine.
Thanks for joining Emma and Jake at the mall. You learned fun English phrases like, how do I look? It's on sale. Can I try this? Do you have this in size? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the full playlist for more fun English lessons. See you next time.